Introducing the Cuisinart Coffee Maker, the ultimate kitchen essential for coffee lovers. With its 2-in-1 design, you can enjoy both drip and pod coffee, hot or iced, and choose between a single cup or a 12-cup carafe. One of its standout features is the ability to customize your serving size. You can choose between 5 different sizes: 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces. It's compatible with any brand of single-cup pod, including Keurig K-Cup pods. And if you prefer using your own coffee, it also comes with an optional reusable filter cup. The Cuisinart Coffee Maker is designed with superior functionality in mind. Its extreme brew feature delivers coffee up to 25% faster, so you can enjoy your cup of joe in no time. It also has a 42 ounces removable water reservoir and a flip-down shelf for shorter mugs. Plus, there's no need for paper filters as it comes with a reusable gold tone, commercial-style filter. If you're serving a crowd, the Carafe brewer is perfect for you. It can serve up to 12 cups of coffee at once and features a durable glass carafe with a stainless steel handle and body. Additionally, it has a range of fully automatic features, including a 24-hour brew start, self-clean, auto-off, and a ready alert system. The Cuisinart Coffee Maker also comes with must-have features that allow you to customize your brewing experience. You can control the brew strength, from light to strong coffee flavor, and adjust the carafe water temperature with its charcoal water filter. Simplify your mornings with the Cuisinart Coffee Maker. It has an easy-view water window that makes filling the tank a breeze. And if you can't wait for the brew cycle to end, use the brew pause feature to pour a cup before it's done. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international compatibility may require an adapter or converter. So, be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. Experience the ultimate brewing versatility and customizable convenience with the Cuisinart Coffee Maker. Get your coffee, your way, and elevate your home brewing experience today.